Jim here from Jim's Digital Marketing. In this video, we're going to cover callout extensions. We're going to cover every single bit of it and create one so you have no questions in your mind. It will only help your business, and that help will happen in the click-through rate. All right, let's get into the Google Ads Manager, and I will show you how to create one. There are some nuances in that you should know for your business when implementing callout extensions that will help you a lot and eventually make you more money or get you more leads. All right, let's get into it. All right, guys, now we're in the Google Ads, and in this example, let's just imagine our ad, our brand is this, JD Undisputed King of Snickers. This is our brand, let's say, and we're gonna create some ads for this brand. Most of you will probably see your extensions under ads and assets and in the asset level. But on some views, some new views that Google is implementing, you will see that under insights and reports and underneath here. So whenever you see the assets, click on this. It's either under this one or this one. In my view, it's in here. So I'm just going to click on assets. I'm going to click on the plus sign, and here you need to find the callouts, guys. It is here, and I'm going to click on the callouts. The good thing about callouts, as I said, are not clickable, meaning people can click on your ad and go to the landing page of the ad, but not the specific extension, which is good in my opinion, right? Which increases the CTR, you put more unique selling propositions, but they don't land on a specific unrelated website like About Us, a different sneakers page, right? So in cycling extensions, we had the ability to take people to different URLs and stuff, but that overall does not really go well with that specific search intent that person has. Of course, in some cases, I definitely suggest using cycling extensions, but on callout extensions, it literally doesn't have a downside, which is amazing. So you can put your callouts in 3 levels. The first one is account level. Let's say, in this case, what unique selling proposition is valid for all possible campaigns that I can create. We have to find that. Free delivery on all clothing. So if I'm running a, let's say, sneakers campaign, it is not relevant. So I really probably won't put that in the account level, right? If I'm running a sneakers, Nike sneakers campaign, and if put free delivery on all clothing, it wouldn't really make sense, right? So Air up there, shop sneakers Air Max, not really relevant. I will find something else that I can use for all of my campaigns. What is that? For instance, we're selling all of the brands, right? Top rated brands. I will probably put that in. Top rated brands. So people know we have all of the top rated brands. And there's a character limit, which is 25. So you cannot really yap all day. So you have to be really concise here, guys. So let's see what we have. Clothing and sportswear. And I will just take out the Nike. I will go to homepage. All right, cool. This is good. So Afterpay available, PayPal available. Many payment methods are available. So I will probably use that, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different payment methods available. Payment methods available. So it's not fitting here. Use 5 payment methods. That's relatively better, but not the best. Of course, you want to think about some time and a little think. Latest drops from JD. This is good. On account level, we can definitely use this. I will use capital letters, the latest drops from JD. That's perfect. And also, guys, in a setting, in a Google Ads setting, you can show up to 10 different callout extensions. That's why I suggest fill out as many as you can. So as you can see, we can show up to 10 different callout extensions. It is not guaranteed to even show one. Keep that in mind. Just like cycling extensions, you might not even show even one callout extension. That's the critical part. But in some cases, you show up, then you will be able to steal the click from your competitor. So definitely use at least 15 I use. It's going to be tough to come up with all 15, but you can also use some generic stuff. Let's say we use this, we're done, we filled up all the callout extensions, and I save this, right? This is account level, guys. Keep that in mind. This is going to apply to all campaigns. Let's say I want to create one callout extension that is specific to one campaign. Since I don't have a campaign, you won't see any results. You have to apply it to a campaign. If it were, let's say, a t-shirt brand, t-shirt campaign that I'm selling for t-shirts, I will go and look at the t-shirt. So free delivery on all clothing. Bam, I will put that in. It's t-shirt, right? Free delivery. This is going to apply to the t-shirt or clothing campaigns. Free delivery, latest drops. This is going to apply to all again. So you get the point. What I'm going to do as well, you can also do, like, after you save this, you can also create one for ad group level. In what cases, you might ask, you can use ad group level callout extensions. It is specifically based on t-shirts, right? Let's say we're using free delivery in general, latest drops in general. If it was going to just target on one ad group, just like tank tops, free delivery tank tops. This is way more specific. If I see this, that will make way more sense. But it is hard to create more and more and more. If you have, let's say, on some big brands, e-commerce brands, you're gonna have 50, 60 different ad groups, and you're gonna put all those call out extensions specifically different to each other, which is going to take a lot of time, and that's why it takes a lot of time. There is one more advanced trick that I want to show you guys. There's, as you guys can see, advanced options at the bottom. Click on this and you can see you can set when to start to show your call out extensions and when to pause them. Why you should consider using this? Why is there a reason for this? Yes, let's say you have a certain promotion, and let's say you want to use that promotion, right? Let's say you have free delivery from March 6th to, let's say, 14th. You can show those on this period. Or you can say, let's say you don't want to have a start and end date, but you just want to show your call out extensions every day from certain time period to a certain time period. On, for instance, you don't offer a free delivery after, let's say, all days, but after 5. So it's a different dispatch time, right? So it's not going to be, let's say, the same time delivery. So that is a good idea. You use it that way. So I put 17th to, let's say, to this time, right? If they order from this to this, I probably won't be able to deliver that product because it's not going to be the same day dispatch. It's going to be the next day dispatch. So these are the availabilities you have for scheduling their call out extensions. Are they really common? Not really. What I usually experience, people set account level call out extensions and campaign level call out extensions and let it run. If you have a specific, really unique headline that you want to use, what you want to do is, guys, you can pin a certain headline that is active from one period to a certain period to certain period. So you usually go with that instead of call out extensions because they don't take a lot of real estate and they are not guaranteed to show every single time. That is why it is not really necessary, in my opinion, to set a scheduling just like this. But you know how to do it. If you want to do it, now you can, guys. Let's say I created this one as well. I cancel this and you will be able to see the performance of your call out extensions, which is amazing. And then over time, you come to call outs. You can see, for instance, we have account level, 3 different call out extensions, and some of them will have conversions. Some of them has higher number of clicks, higher number of impressions. The good rule of thumb is, guys, the higher the impression is, the better that call out extension is. So you want to create similar ones to the one that getting higher impressions. Don't really look at the conversions. It is really important, but it takes such a small space. People sometimes accidentally click on certain call out extensions and they do not give you the greatest data in terms of accuracy. For instance, they want to click on your ad on mobile because it's a small mobile phone, right? They click on it accidentally, but it gives you a false data. You think, oh, okay, people really care about use 5 payment methods, and then you put that in your ad and your performance drops on your ad level. So don't really look at the conversions. Instead, look at the clicks because you're going to have way more clicks than conversions, way more impressions than clicks, which gives you a better data, more accurate data. So hope this helps, guys. This is Callout Extensions and Google Ads. If you like this type of video, please subscribe so I will keep on helping you for free. See you in the next one.